In this video, we're looking at finding the circumference of a circle. Now, what is a circumference of a circle? Well, it is the distance around the circle. So if you think about a pizza, the crust of that pizza would be the circumference of the circle. So the formula that we use is C for circumference equals 2 times pi times r. R is the radius of the circle, and the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. Or we could use the formula circumference equals pi times d. D is for diameter, and diameter is the distance across the circle, and it goes through the center of the circle. So as an example, if our radius is 6, then our diameter would be twice that, so our diameter would be 12 because each piece here would be 6 as well. And so in order to find the circumference of a circle, we simply take our radius or our diameter and plug it in. So if we're given the radius and we want to use that, we plug it in. And we're just multiplying straight across. So 2 times pi times 6. If I want to write this in terms of pi, meaning you just leave pi in your answer, my answer would be 12 pi because 2 times 6 is 12. So that is my circumference of this circle in terms of pi. Now, if I just wanted to use the diameter, I could simply say, okay, the diameter is 12, and if I plug in 12 for this formula, I would get 12 times pi, which is just 12 pi. So either way, I'm going to get the same answer. But if I want to write this as a decimal and not use pi, I just multiply 12 times pi. I'm going to actually round pi to just 3.14. And let's see what that would be. That's 37.68. And I didn't put any units here, so I'm just going to put inches. And so the circumference of this circle would be 37.68 inches. Let's try one more. Let me see. Let's just say our diameter, if we're given the diameter, our diameter is 8. We will simply plug in 8 for our diameter. So C equals pi times D. Our diameter is 8. So in terms of pi, our circumference would be 8 pi. If we wanted to write it as a decimal, you just multiply by 3.14, which is pi rounded. So C equals 8 times 3.14. That leaves me with 25.12. So I'm going to use inches again. So the circumference of this circle would be 25.12 if you were to write it as a decimal. And so just a quick tutorial on finding the circumference of a circle.